Imagine a world where no one dies waiting for an organ transplant, where burn victims can receive new skin in hours, and where scientists can print functioning tissues to test life-saving drugs. This isn't science fiction. It's the promise of bioprinting, a groundbreaking technology that blends biology and engineering to build living tissues, and one day, even entire organs. In this video, we'll dive into how bioprinting works, the exciting applications already saving lives, the challenges we still face, and the newest research that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Bioprinting is an advanced form of 3D printing, but instead of plastic or metal, it uses living cells, biomaterials, and growth factors to create biological structures that mimic natural tissues. The process begins with a digital model of the tissue or organ, often derived from scans like MRIs. This acts as a blueprint. Next, scientists prepare a special bioink, a mix of living cells and a supportive gel-like material, which is then deposited layer by layer to build the structure. After printing, these structures are placed in bioreactors, which simulate the human body's conditions, allowing the cells to grow and develop into functional tissue. While we're still in the early stages of this technology, its potential is enormous. One of the most exciting applications of bioprinting is organ transplantation. Right now, over 100,000 people in the US alone are waiting for organs, and sadly, many won't survive the wait. Bioprinting offers a future where doctors could print fully functional organs on demand. While we're not there yet, researchers have made incredible strides, including printing mini-kidneys that can filter toxins and mini-livers capable of drug metabolism. The Advanced Research Projects Agency for Health has launched the PRINT program, aiming to create processes that enable the biofabrication of organs, such as the kidney, heart, and liver. This initiative leverages 3D bioprinting, cell manufacturing, and tissue engineering to produce patient-specific, immune-matched replacement organs. Researchers are developing novel approaches to bioprinting, including the use of magnetic 3D bioprinting. This process utilizes biocompatible magnetic nanoparticles to print cells into 3D structures, offering rapid printing and fine spatial control. Bioprinting is also revolutionizing skin grafts. For burn victims, the traditional approach involves painful and invasive skin grafts. Now, bioprinters can create skin directly from a patient's cells, reducing rejection risks and speeding up healing. In fact, some hospitals are already using bioprinting technology to create custom skin patches for burn and wound victims. In cancer research, bioprinted tumors are being used to study cancer progression and test new treatments. These 3D tumor models are far more realistic than traditional cell cultures, providing valuable insights into how tumors grow and respond to drugs. Similarly, bioprinted tissues are transforming drug testing. Instead of relying on animal models, scientists can test new drugs on printed tissues, making the process more ethical and efficient. Another promising application is personalized medicine. Imagine having a custom patch of tissue printed to repair a torn ligament or damaged cartilage, perfectly tailored to your body's unique biology. This level of personalization is becoming increasingly achievable as bioprinting technology evolves. The field of bioprinting is advancing rapidly, with new research pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One of the biggest challenges in bioprinting has been creating vascularized tissues. That is, tissues with blood vessels. Without these, large tissues can't survive because they can't receive nutrients or oxygen. But recent breakthroughs are tackling this. In 2023, a team of researchers developed a method to print functional blood vessels directly into tissue constructs, bringing us closer to printing full-sized organs. Another exciting development is in heart tissue repair. Scientists have successfully bioprinted patches of heart tissue embedded with beating cells, which could one day be used to repair damage after a heart attack. Similarly, bioprinting is making strides in neural tissues. At MIT, researchers are working on bioprinted scaffolds designed to repair spinal cord injuries, offering hope to patients with paralysis. Perhaps one of the most fascinating areas of research is happening in space. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station are experimenting with bioprinting in microgravity. Printing tissues in space could eliminate some of the challenges posed by gravity on Earth, potentially leading to faster and more efficient organ creation. While the progress is exciting, bioprinting is not without its challenges. One of the biggest obstacles is the complexity of organs like the heart or liver, which have intricate structures and perform highly specialized functions. Printing these organs at scale and ensuring they work seamlessly in the body is still a work in progress. Another major hurdle is vascularization. While recent breakthroughs have been promising, creating fully integrated networks of blood vessels remains a significant challenge. Without this, large tissues and organs can't survive long enough to be implanted. Finally, there's the issue of scalability. While bioprinting has proven effective in the lab, producing organs and tissues on a large scale, consistently and affordably, is a different challenge altogether. However, with continued research and investment, these barriers are being steadily overcome. Looking ahead, the future of bioprinting is incredibly bright. Imagine a hospital where instead of waiting months for an organ donor, you could have a new kidney printed in a matter of days. Imagine a world where researchers can print brain tissue to study diseases like Alzheimer's, or where astronauts could print food and tissues in space colonies. The technology is still in its infancy, but with advancements in stem cell research, biomaterials, and AI-driven design, bioprinting is set to redefine healthcare. From solving organ shortages to advancing personalized medicine, the possibilities are as exciting as they are life-changing. Bioprinting is more than just a technological breakthrough. It's a beacon of hope. It promises a future where lives aren't lost waiting for organs, where diseases can be studied and cured in ways we've never imagined, and where medicine becomes as personalized as a fingerprint. While challenges remain, the progress we've seen in just the last few years shows that this is no longer a question of if, but when. So, what do you think? If bioprinting could solve any problem in your life, what would it be? Let us know in the comments. And if you're as fascinated by the future of science and technology as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's explore the innovations shaping tomorrow.